up, YouTube? It's a beautiful day today. This is the outfit. I have always been afraid of not finishing Tera Jawan on time. I didn't even vlog the food because it is so important to me to finish before the bell rings. And by the way, you shouldn't start having food before the bell rings either. I was so nervous this time that I forgot to leave some rice for dali. I had it all with Saru only. I don't know why I feel this way though. Maybe because I want to enjoy Godshe with ample time remaining. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, back to the vlog.
फर्स्ट पंक्ति को मिळलाय केन्नाय बस कडेन मिळलाय देवस्थान भोवन मेळ्ळें सेम प्लेस लाईट एकटलाय या लाईव्ह न्ही ओके नर्वस तुमी सांगया आमल्याक सांत पोवच्या वता truly very. The screen on this. So we are strolling on the Car Street. Today is day 5 drive and we are going sun.
Hello.
हां कसं सांग
कसं नाही पोले मेघा लंकणे कसं नाही सांगशील
हाय रत्नाल व्लॉग वे आहे कसं नाव
काय
नाव आहे
यूट्यूबर
ಯಬ್ಬಾ ಹಂಗೆ ಪುರ ಗಲಾಟೆಗೆ ಆಮೆ ಉಲ್ಲೋ ಚಾಯ್ಕ್ ಪಡ್ತಿಗಿ ನಂಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ಪುಟ ಆಮೆ ಚಾಂಗ್ ಜಾಗು ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೋರ್ನು ಏವ್ಯಾ ಐತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಕ್ಕುಳೆಚ್ ಪುರ ಆಮೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕೋರ್ನ್ ಗಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ನಿ ಪುರ ಐತೆ
ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕಸ್ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಂಗೆ आजी आम्ही हंगत ಹೊಡ್ತಾರ आयलांते देवस्थाना जेवण केला एक स्ट्रॉंग फिल्टर कॉफी पिवया म्हण दिसलें तशी मेल फ्रेंड्सा लोटो बहिणी लोटो आनी मेगेल दुवे लोट आयले हांव तशी गम्मत जाता असो मागीर तूं हांवें कसो न्ही पिक्चर डा कॉफी जेवण
हॅलो आम्ही कोंकणी करची इंग्लिश
Let's do a mix of.
स्टार्ट कशी करची
Please start. No. Hello guys. We are currently sitting outside Pai Tiffins and there's too much of crowd here.
ना कोंकणी उलयतास फर्स्ट आमी बोट्टू घेतली
Yeah. Look at this guys. The Marathi bindi.
दिस इज 20 rupees 20 ना प्राइस ही सांग का हॉल
20 yeah.
20 then थोडे तिरपला I bought Dora the Explorer.
Great pastime.
It's a coloring book. Wogi finish. ना सुरवे हांव फॅन घेतली 200 rupees.
Please, much needed. Much needed. This is really helpful, guys. My God.
मेरा लाइट चेंज है जब
Oh, why now? Why? It's nice.
bought these.
And these are the cute bows. One of them is this color.
Like if you tie ponytails a lot, you can
Yeah.
put it on your hair tie.
Yeah.
And it will look Pinterest aesthetic.
Yes.
I bought this in 2 more colors, but I can't find it in my bag right now. One is black and the other one is art purpose. Baby pink.
Yes.
And last I got these keychain. I got R, she got P. तू A में gave it.
Yeah, Arya. Anand.
तू गेल that A नहीं हुआ.
Wait. I got the same thing, guys. Same for 20 rupees.
Wait, keychain.
I'm not finding it, guys. Let's go to the next one.
चल मिगेल हॉल चल. तू गेल H.
Wait, guys.
One eternity later.
Finally, I got this.
Focus. And that is the end of our haul. Jinx! Now we are waiting for tak कसं म्हणशीको देवान भायर येवचे पडा.
तेर तांदूळचे ceremony.
Ceremony म्हणालो तू आता. Now we are waiting for तमी तेर तांदूळ चक्राक तसं. Where is my sweater? Can I just on the accessories? But can you guys hear me? Rat Utsav. I'm done. Recently, I've been introducing more functional exercises into my routine compared to strength training. Started the workout with a 1 kilometer run on the treadmill, which I didn't record. Guys, my pace is very slow. It's like 9.5 minutes per kilometer. This is the second exercise of the routine, which is dumbbell thrusters. I did these for 20 reps. Guys, I had no idea my pant looks like this from the back. I need to grow my glutes just to fill in these pants right now. This was my second time ever using this kind of sled, which is why I set it to the least resistance and didn't add any weight to it. I wanted to decide on a proper form for the sled exercises. For the sled push, I prefer staying low with my arms on the sides and using my whole body to push. But with these kind of sleds, this form is okay-ish, I guess. Guys, I had no idea I was staring at the powerlifters during my break. I was just zoning out. Okay, now back to exercising. I did 25 meters on the sled push and then I moved on to 25 meters on the sled pull. I'm glad I set it to the least resistance and didn't add any weight because what even is this form? Why do I look like a giant praying mantis? I didn't even realize I was doing it wrong until I rewatched this clip. Anyway, the form that I've decided on is to grab the rope and pull with my legs like shown in the image. Yes, I did 25 meters of what I call the wrong form sled pull. Ended the routine with 500 meters on the ski. Repeated these 5 exercises for 2 more rounds before doing my stretching routine, which is already up on my channel. Check it out, guys. Okay, bye. It's currently 2 p.m. and I'm on my way to the office. Oh, what's with the lighting? Okay, anyway. And I've been meaning to record it. That's why I haven't been organizing it. Wow, This is so dark. Okay. Since 14th January, it's been like this only. I've been actually cleaning my room, so I didn't have time to. Yeah, since 14th January, my passport has been on the floor, out in the open. And this is the state of our home office. This bookshelf is the only thing I've organized until now. What is the question?
There's nothing question. Talk about the event. What's happening? Assuming you know about the event. You're talking company.
In front of you, I'll feel shy. నాకు లజ్జి కడుతుంది कसं सांगची I think the lens is dirty. Lens is dirty. It is not like
video ఉంది నాకు ఇదే బై ఇచ్చి
I have nothing to say.